Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up to Union Bank online banking. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Union Bank, then click on the above link that presents. So here we're going to choose our language. Then once in their official website, we're going to scroll downwards and click on accounts and deposit. Then here, these are the list of accounts you can open. You guys could go through them. Depending on your preference, you guys could choose one of them after that. You can also filter them to choose your ideal option. So you could choose from either of those. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Apply Now. Then click on Proceed. So here you're going to enter your name, your mobile number, your email, as well as your PIN code. So once you're done, they're going to ask you some personal details, as well as account details, your source of income. Then once you're done, they're going to open the account for you. So here you're going to fill out this form. It's going to auto-fetch the city automatically. So then you're going to click on Apply Now. So this is how you do it. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.